Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter. And just a reminder that Walter and I will be live on air or on something else, who knows what, today, Sunday, May the 14th, 2023. Happy Mother's Day to all you mothers out there. Yeah, that didn't sound quite right. Anyways, yes, we will be live. And what we'll be talking about? Everything under the sun. Because that's what we do. It's just going to be a mishmash of this and a mishmash of that and a little of this, a little of that, and well, get the idea. So I hope you can join the conversation and maybe keep us on track. I doubt that will happen, but you never know. So bring your thoughts, come, be entertained, join in the conversation. It's just a lot of fun. Okay, so that's today, Sunday, May the 14th, 2023 at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hope to see you then. Bye for now.